Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll in order to find the proper option, which is called the security and privacy. Let's tap on it. And then we have to scroll down and tap on more security and privacy, and scroll down until you'll see the encryption and credentials. Now, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.